Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about FCV, that is flow control wall P&ID typical arrangement. Here we will understand FCV explanation, its application, reasons of using FCV. So here students see, this is the general typical arrangement diagram of FCV which is used commonly in P&ID. Okay, so here students, as you can see, flow, here this is the flow direction. Flow of the fluid is moving from left side to the right side, as you can see here. Okay, and here we have, here this is the globe type flow control wall, as you can see here. Okay, and these butterfly walls are especially this 103 and 104 BFV. These butterfly walls are used for isolation purpose. Okay, and this is the globe wall here, which this is the bypass line. Okay, this is the globe wall, and here this is the ball wall, 3 by 4 inch ball wall for draining wall. You can see, we can call it, this is a drain wall. Okay, and here now see, this FCV gets the signal from HIC. This is the hand indicating controller. Hand indicating controller sends the control signal to the flow control wall actuator or FCV's positioner to adjust the wall opening to maintain the desired flow. Okay, and also see, this hand indicating controller allows the operator to read the flow locally and allows him to adjust the handle, or you can call it as operate the wall manually at the local in at the local station, as, or you can call it at locally. Locally operator can operate the wall position by reading the flow. Okay, here see, this FO indicates that fail to open position. That is means when signal fails, instrumentation fails, there is any problem, this wall gets fully opened. Okay, and here this bypass line and this bypass wall is used for here to allow the flow to allow the flow towards the rightward direction when this FCV is in maintenance. Okay, and these isolation walls, butterfly type, these two butterfly walls, we will use for isolation purpose of this FCV during maintenance. Okay, and at the maintenance time, we need to drain out the fluid inside this pipeline and FCV. For that we have used this ball wall, which is a drain wall at the downstream of this flow arrangement. Okay, so now students, let's see in detail further in further slides. So here see, main flow line label P 6-inch A19A105 indicates 6-inch process pipeline, and A19A is piping class, and 105N is the line number. Flow enters from the left and proceeds to the right, as you can see. Instrumentation symbol and abbreviations, let's see. FCV 101 and flow control wall. Okay, a flow control wall is a wall that automatically adjusts to regulate the flow rate of a fluid, liquid, gas or steam through a pipeline or system. Okay, as we have seen, flow control wall automatically adjust the wall opening to regulate the flow rate. Okay, FCV opens or close as needed to increase or decrease the flow and to maintain a constant or controlled flow rate based on desired set point. Okay, HIC, hand indicating controller. Here see, HIC sends a control signal or out, you can HIC sends a control signal, or you can call it as its HIC output like 4 to 20 milliampere directly to the wall actuator or walls positioner to adjust the wall opening as per the set point. Refer this red arrow. Okay, HIC sends a signal to this FCV actuator or a walls positioner. Okay, HIC meaning an operator can read the flow and manually adjust the wall locally to maintain desired conditions. Okay. So further, FO failed to open if the wall loses its power supply, air supply, control signal or instrumentation fails, the wall will automatically move to fully open position. That mean, that is the meaning of fail to open. Okay, FCV failed to open or failed to close position shall be decided based on the process requirement. As per the process requirement, we need to decide the FCV failed position. It shall be open or close. Okay, based on process requirement. Further, let's see walls BFE 101, 103 and BFE 104 and these are butterfly walls used for isolation as we have seen. GL101 and it is a bypass line wall and shall be opened during FCV maintenance to allow the flow of the system. BB107 and it is a drain wall placed at the downstream of the FCV as we have seen. It is used to drain the fluid inside the FCV and pipeline for maintenance purpose. Where are flow control valves used? Application of flow control valves, water treatment plants, oil and gas pipelines, power plants, chemical factories, HVAC, heating and cooling systems, food industries, pharmaceuticals. Basically, here anywhere you need to control the fluid flow, we can use FCV. Okay, so further see reasons of using FCV: to control the flow rate, to protect equipment, to maintain process quality, to save energy and cost, to respond to flow changes automatically. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about FCV, P&ID, typical arrangement diagram. Okay, thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.